Okay, let's create bracelets this time. Bracelet, basic bracelet. Create a one balloon figure here. Now create an ear twist, just like that. One more bubble here. One bubble here, another one bubble, 1 inch bubble here, 1 inch bubble here. One or two, that will be fine. Create an ear twist. Now create another inch bubble here, ear twist, another inch bubble, ear twist, another inch bubble, and an ear twist. I think this is the last part. Okay, so all you need to do, since we're making a bracelet, you need to connect this ends. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we have an instant bracelet. All you need to do is you just put your arm like this, and need to arrange it first, just like that. So we have an instant bracelet for your kids, for your daughters, just like that.